Amazon. Today we are sourcing for Amazon. Hello friends, today 34 degrees in North Carolina. We have some busy day. So yes, but first check it out, this vintage gorgeous sweater that I got. It's like Christmas memories. I have I think 10 packages for Amazon and I got the same quantity for eBay. It was a weekend. Actually, I didn't do that much sourcing. I had to pick up some items at Walmart, so I bring you with me today. Let's go. In my water today, water with lemon. Thank you, Lisa, for that. Okay, beautiful people, I finished those. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got cancel one, so it's fine. I still have to pick it out one to Walmart before I ship all this. But let me show you what is sold on eBay. Okay, beautiful people, so first we got this camper, woman size 8, sold for around 3 times and they never pay. Finally they paid. Let's take the offer for $27.42. It was a good one, so 118. So yeah, it's been really crazy this weekend. I thought I will have more sales. So there we go, some campers. One. Next we got this Adidas Originals women's in size 6. This has been selling many times too, but finally this customer pays 20 plus shipping. Finally they're going $175. Some shoes today going out. There we go, size 6. This one is a 7 for all mankind, sold for $10.99 plus $8.99 shipping. So the weekend I didn't do that much, so I had time for backup some inventory in the clothing too. So that's what I am lost today. So 263. We are looking 263, 61, 63, 7 for, oh my god, there is. This is an international sale. It's sold for $19.99. Recent added to my inventory is 229. And yeah, that's the last ones that I think I added last week. 229. Clark's, if you don't believe it, you can make $5 profit. There is. Next we got this Forever 21 in size large. It's pink and black. It's a babes only. I bought it for me, but it didn't fit, so that large is very small large. So $12.99 plus $9.99. This one have like a 3 months in my closet. It's $360. Let me see. There it is. It's a babes only. It was a one fine. I think I paid $2 for this plus the shipping. Yes, I will not make that much money, but I'm happy. I tried up and it's all. Next we got this Jeffrey Campbell. They are really pretty shoes, and it has been in my closet since January, so almost 12 months. So it's sold for $49.99 plus $16.99. And as you can see, it's not in my inventory, so it's probably in there. So let me look at. This is the beautiful boot. I really like them though. Next we got these Skechers. I swear these have been selling like a 4 or 5 times. The customers don't pay, and finally, I don't know if it's the same customer, but it finally sold. It's $26.99 plus $14.99 shipping. I put it more high because it have been selling so many times, and I say, okay, see, this is a desired style, so when that happen and it don't sell the first time, I just put it more higher. Why not? This closet. They have been in my closet probably just 2 months. This one is a Can women's size 27. It's a high-rise distress mom jeans. Mom jeans still selling, and it's all for 20 plus the shipping. There is $9.99. Yes, Can. If you find it, pick it up. Okay, beautiful people, we're going to drop these ones to the post office and then the rest to the UPS later. We're going to a town farther from us and we're dropping them here. We are at Walmart. Yes, we are taking out. And looking this way for my tree. Well, we was at Walmart for 40 minutes. We found some items and we will try it up. We bought 4 and 5 and 20 for the other one. We will see if that will work it out. And yes, I'll leave you the profits in here and see what you think. Yep. I left Fred inside the house and he's driving me crazy. I have a camera and I have to check it out all the time because if he know, he go crazy and he go very noisy and try to get all the decoration, Christmas decoration and paper and stuff like that. And yes, so I probably will source for nuts more and then I will go home because I am going crazy. Yep. Okay, beautiful people, so right now is 4:30 p.m. Just dropped the packages in the UPS. I think I spent like 35 minutes dropping in, but for December, and this is a tip, you should have a receipt for all the items that you are shipping out because you never know if they get lost or something like that, so you can get money back, especially if they are high ticket items. So don't forget that. Let's see if I can get and hit another store because it's really late now and Fred isn't there doing noisy things. I probably will be mad with him when I can get home. I should have left him outside, but we are receiving a lot of packages. I don't want to leave him in there. So, and he called me more dangerous, more aggressive. And yes, and I don't want to leave him outside because my other dog, she is used to it to be outside, but Fred is not. I probably had to get another cage and put him outside when I am outsourcing because for healthy mind and don't be anxious about it, what I'm going to find when I get to home. And yes, let's go to another store. Okay, beautiful people, you know me, I had to stop to the Starbucks. If you have been following me for a long time, you know that I am a Starbucks fanatic, like a lot of people, I know, but I just collect tumblers that are pink or they have pink on it. And this one is really cool because this color change cup actually wasn't free. Well, it wasn't free, but you know, it's just a reminder to put to get your tumbler and get you Starbucks, and that will be points that you can redeem later for merchandise or anything that you want. So yes, I got Starbucks cup. Yep, let's go. It's 5:10 and we're going back to home. I'm going to stop in a small town that we have in here in my way to home. It's Q4, why not, right? Doing a little bit more work. Another store that I always visit. So we will end out the video for today. We finished for the sourcing today. We expecting profit with 250 and around 50 to 55 minutes. So 1 hour. That plus the shipping, it probably will be 30 minutes. So hour and 30 minutes, 250. Yes, we take it. Bye.